mahogany neck with a very thin C-shaped neck on this one. This is thinner than like a 60s style neck. This has beautiful abalone inlays, beautiful block inlays on this, and I think I matched the body to those inlays pretty good.
We now have a shoulder rest on that part, belly cut in the middle there. I took a 1/8 inch roundover, sanded it up to 180 grits.
This guitar will be solid, and that's where the kit guitar started. It's a good, solid product. All the parts you need will be there.
So basically, this started out as a kit and left-handed from Guitar Kit World. It's pretty cool that they even offer a left-handed ML, since they're currently the only one to offer a left-handed ML.
Ta-da! Pretty darn tootin' good. I'm pretty happy with it. Better than it did before.